Hello again. Today we'll be solving equations using nth roots. Okay? So what I'm going to do here is I need to figure out what x is. Well, if your coefficient is a fraction, first thing I would do is I would multiply by the denominator of the fraction in order to get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. And what that's going to do is it's going to get rid of the denominator. And since there's only a 1 on the top, that's going to leave me basically with x to the 4th is equal to 81. Okay? So now I need to take the 4th root of x to the 4th and set that equal to the 4th root of 81. But when we take different roots, if the root is even, we always want to make sure that it's plus or minus. If the root is odd, it's either going to be positive or negative. But if our root is even, remember that, if our root is even, so if it's a square root or the 4th root or the 6th root, then we have to make it positive and negative because there's going to be 2 solutions, okay? So my 4th root of x to the 4th is just x. Now I need to figure out the 4th root of 81. Well, what times what times what times what equals 81? Well, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. So the 4th root of 81 is 3. But because it's plus or minus, it's plus or minus 3. Or you could write that also as 3 and negative 3.